Your home value just changed. While you've been watching this video, prices in your neighborhood shifted. Maybe up 0.5%, maybe down. And if your agent is still pricing homes the old way, using sales from 2 months ago, you're about to see why your home is sitting on the market longer and costing you tens of thousands of dollars. I am going to show you something called future casting. And by the end of this video, you'll understand why smart people are abandoning traditional pricing methods and why you, as sellers and buyers, should work with an agent that understands future casting. Here's what most people don't realize about today's real estate market. Property values are changing weekly, not monthly, not quarterly, weekly. But most real estate professionals are still pricing homes using what sold 60, 70, even 90 days ago. That's like using last month's weather forecast to decide what to wear today. It simply doesn't work. So, what is future casting? Think of it this way. The traditional pricing is like driving while staring in the rearview mirror. You are always reacting to what already happened. While future casting is like having GPS with real-time traffic updates. You see what's ahead, you make smart decisions, and you arrive on time. It's called predictive pricing based on where the market will be when a home actually gets offers. Here's how it works. Instead of just looking at old sales, what future casting does is it analyzes 6 live data streams. First one, weekly price momentum. Are values rising or falling, and how fast? It measures buyer behavior patterns. How many showings before homes goes under contract? It measures supply and demand balance. New listings versus absorption rates. It looks at seasonal intelligence. Spring surge or winter showdown. It also looks at economic indicators when it comes to interest rates. What is the trend looking like? It is going to affect buying power. And neighborhood-specific intelligence, because every area moves differently. The system processes all of this data and gives you 3 risk-adjusted pricing scenarios. Conservative, recommended, optimistic. Each with confidence scores so you know exactly how reliable the prediction is. So let's look at how this benefits different groups. Now, if you are a seller and you're thinking about selling your home, this changes everything for you. Number 1, stop leaving money on the table. No more leaving $50,000 on the table because your agent was too conservative with outdated comps. Traditional pricing often undervalues homes in rising market. Future casting captures appreciation that happens during the listing period. Avoid overpricing disasters. No more watching your home sit on the market for months because it was priced using stale data. Future casting prevents this by pricing for actual market conditions, not outdated comps. Get offers faster. Accurately priced homes attract serious buyers immediately. No more 90 days market marathons watching your home go stale. Let's look at a home and let me give you an example. Comparative market analysis would suggest that this home should be listed at $725,000 based on a 60-day-old comp. Future casting analysis showed that this home is located in an area where there is a plus 1.8% weekly growth, seasonal boost, and high buyer demand. So the recommended price should really be $785K. Buyers, if you're in the market to buy a home, future casting protects you too. It gives you fair pricing and market clarity. You'll know what you're really paying for. I'm sure you wondered, if that home is overpriced, right? Future casting can help you as a buyer understand whether a listing is priced fairly for the current market conditions or based on outdated data. If a home is listed at $750,000, but future casting shows the market's dropping 1% weekly, that property is overpriced by $30,000. Or maybe you found a home listed at $680,000. Seems high, but future casting shows that neighborhood's rising 2% weekly with high buyer demand. That home then is actually a fair price, maybe even a good deal. Future casting will also help you time your purchase. Market timing really does matter. You'll know if you're buying at the right time or if you should wait for better conditions. Understanding real-time market momentum gives buyers negotiation power based on actual conditions and not agent opinions. Now, if you're a real estate professional and you're watching this, listen up. Future casting wins more listings. Sellers are smart. Sellers will choose agents who demonstrate market expertise. Walking into a listing appointment with future casting analysis shows that you're operating at a higher level than competitors using outdated comparative market analysis. It will also help reduce days on market. Accurate initial pricing means fewer price adjustments, faster sales, and happier clients. Your listing move while competitors' listings sit, and that is a win. When you show up at your listing appointment and you present data-driven pricing recommendation with confidence scores and professional reports, you will win every time. No more trust me pricing. Show them the data. As a trusted real estate agent in your market, when you show up that you know what you're talking about, that you understand the market conditions, your buyer clients will trust your market guidance. Your seller clients will see you as an expert who really understands timing. Bottom line, here is why this matters for everyone right now, whether you are a buyer, a seller, or a real estate agent. Market across the country are seeing weekly price swings. For example, you may see Austin's market up 2% this week, Metro Atlanta down 1.7%, and Phoenix is flat by showing signs of acceleration. You may see hyper-local price swings in neighborhoods. That is important data to consider. Traditional pricing ignores these movements entirely. And in volatile market, pricing using future casting is the difference between a smart decision and a costly mistake. I have seen sellers net $40,000 more because their agent priced their home for market momentum instead of historical averages. I've seen agents win 5 additional listings in 1 month just by demonstrating their understanding of future casting market intelligence. This is the time future casting matters more than ever. Interest rates are kind of stubborn right now. Economic uncertainty is high. Regional markets are diverging. Whether you're buying or selling or working in real estate, the people who understands market timing will win. Sellers will choose agents who can predict market direction. Buyers will work with the agents who understand real-time dynamics. And agents who master predictive pricing will dominate the next 5 years. The market will reward intelligence and it will punish ignorance. Look, the real estate industry is evolving. We all get that. Markets move faster than they used to. Data is more available. Technology is better. The old ways of pricing homes worked fine when markets were stable and predictable. But today's market isn't stable. And it is certainly not predictable. Whether you're buying, selling, or working in real estate, understanding market momentum matters more than ever. Now, you don't have to abandon everything you know about real estate. You just need to add forward-thinking tools to what you already do. Look at current data alongside historical data. Consider where the market's going, not just where it has been. Ask better questions. Use better information. Make better decisions, because in volatile markets, the cost of being wrong keeps getting higher, and the advantage of being right keeps getting bigger. If you want to learn more about predictive pricing and how it works, I've put some additional resources in the description below. The goal isn't to convince you of anything. It's to help you understand that there are better ways to approach pricing in today's market. Whether you use future casting, develop your own forward-looking methods, or just start paying more attention to the weekly market trends, the important thing is thinking ahead instead of behind. If this video gives you a new perspective on real estate pricing, I'd appreciate a like. And if you want to see more content about navigating today's market, hit the subscribe button and drop a comment below and let me know your thoughts about today's video. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.